talking a bit about the SX12. So the SX12 is our state-of-the-art 1 second robotic turtle station that just so happens to have a scanning capability and some very unique workflows for scanning. It also have, quite honestly, the best camera system on the market, which is what allows it to work without a telescope, because you can see a lot of detail using the onboard cameras. So, and again, as you as a surveyor, I know you've used this kit a bit in the past. Do you find it awkward not having a telescope? Would it actually made a difference to you, considering how good the cameras are?
No, not really. I mean, it's a bit alien because it looks a lot like a turtle station, and not having a telescope,
yeah,
you know, it's a bit strange to look at. But no, the camera is excellent on it, and I'm having the telephoto zoom, which I believe is unique to this bit of kit.
Yeah.
You know, if you were ever doing any sort of heritage work or anything like that, it's the only scanner on the market that would enable you to get sort of individual brick details and important features like that from a distance.
Yeah, so something like that. So you're clearly like 130 meters away from those letters.
Yeah, I mean, it's incredible, really.
And you can see an ant running around.
Yeah. And in this modern world, it comes to using as a turtle station, like there's so much robotic work now, it's very rare that you would you know, actually stand behind one of these days, unless you're doing reflectorless points. But I know this also has an incredibly good green laser on it as well.
Yeah.
So even at range, you don't need to use the optics, or there isn't any, but you wouldn't require optics because the laser for any sort of reflectorless and key points like that can be seen from quite a distance.
Yeah. So it's really more of a all-rounder instrument. It's an instrument that it's always the right instrument when you're taking out of the box, because you can do your normal topo survey work, you can do setting out work, you can do monitoring because it is one second instrument. What wouldn't you like about this instrument, about recommending it to other people in the business?
Well, I think
other than, you know, loss of competitiveness, as you mentioned with the laser scanner.
Yeah, I mean, my personal fear with something like this is if I was to drop it, I've broken a total station and a laser scanner, which is obviously quite a costly thing to do. But obviously, you know, it is very useful. You know, these days, you know, we do work in London, going in on the train, having the ability to have a laser scanner and a total station in one box is incredibly useful. And yeah, as you can see, the IP rating and everything means we can use it anywhere. It's an incredibly robust bit of kit.
Okay. Well, good. Mark, thanks for your time.
No problem at all.
I'm sure you'll speak again soon enough.
Absolutely.
We usually do anyway.
I'll have a few questions for you again, I'm sure.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Anytime, mate.
No worries.